What's going on, guys? Vinny here, back with another video demonstrating the power of Vinny's trading cheat code. In this video, guys, I want to show you how you can find winning setups. Okay, we're going to look for winning setups. But before we get into that, guys, I just want to make the disclaimer: the cheat code is not actually the indicator. Okay, the actual cheat code is actually found in this guide right here. I'm going to show you guys. All right. Vinny's trading cheat code. And in this 15-page short ebook, okay, I actually revealed to you the trading cheat code. All right. We only use the indicator, guys, as confirmation. That's the only reason why we use the indicator. Okay. It helps us scan the market a lot faster, and we only use the indicator for confirmation from what we already know. You actually have to learn the skill of trading in order to be a consistently profitable trader. Okay, you can't just think some indicator is going to be the main thing that you rely on when it comes to trading, because I guarantee you will lose more than you win if you have that type of mindset. Okay, but if you use an indicator with my set of rules that I have in place, guys, you will become a consistently profitable trader if you follow the rules. Okay. So with that aside, let's get into it. How do we find winning setups? So let me show you guys my my group. I have a small Telegram group. All right. Now, I am on Telegram. Only have one account on Telegram. I'm not on WhatsApp. I'm not on any other platform, guys, besides Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So I will not be messaging guys asking you for money to trade with. Not at all, guys. I provide an educational service, and that is it, and a coaching program. That's it. That's all you guys will hear from me, but I will never hit you up in your inbox asking you for money to trade with. All right. So now that's all gone. On Sunday, guys, I put in the group a list of swing trade ideas, okay, based on what I've seen with the indicator. All right. So as you can see in this picture here, I decided to take those trades, and some of the trades I actually waited for a good entry. Some trades I didn't, because I knew that I was able to withstand the drawdown. So I just got into those trades. Okay. Now I was a little more in drawdown than expected because of all the positions I took, but it was totally fine. As you can see here, I was $153 in drawdown. Today, if we look, I actually doubled the account. So this was $1,000 account. I've actually made $1,000 in this account. Okay, I'm still holding some of the positions, so the video's not finished yet. All these trades could turn around on me, and I could lose all these trades. Yes, that is possible, but I highly doubt it because you have risk management involved. So if I did lose, it wouldn't be that much. But I'm pretty confident in these trades that I took, using how I trade and also the confirmation with the indicator. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what's possible once you learn the skill of how to trade, and once you have once you make trading easy and simple. Okay, I see a lot of people out here make trading very hard with these different terms and conditions, and it's just so much, guys, but it's so easy. Okay, so easy. But I do have a coaching program. If you do purchase the indicator, you will be included in this 30-day coaching program that I have going on to show you how to use the indicator the correct way. But let's get into it, how to find winning trades. Okay. All right. So let's go to one of the trades setups that I put out in a group, USD JPY. And let's turn off this indicator real quick. All right. So I usually trade off the daily time frame, guys. That is my time frame I like to trade off of. Okay. So right now on the daily time frame, if we scroll to our left, guess what? We don't see anything, okay? We don't see any type of supply demand zones, right? So what we have to do, if we don't see anything when we scroll to the left, we need to go to a higher time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame. All right, on a weekly time frame, you scroll to your left, I don't see anything. So that means I need to go up to a higher time frame. So let's go to the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, let's make this smaller. And I see here, back in 1998, August of 1998, USD JPY created a resistance. Okay, so I had that marked off already. All right. So as you can see, we are, let me make these candles bigger so you actually can see. This candle right here is the current month that we're in, October. Okay, and we still have 13 days before this candle closes. Okay, we got 13 days before this candle closes. All right, so this candle looks like it's going to close above this supply zone that we have here, right? Now, if you know anything about trading, you know that once it breaks a zone, price likes to come back and what? Retest, okay? Retest. So let's go down to our weekly time frame. All right, let's see what the weekly time frame is doing. All right, so we had one bullish candle close above this supply zone already. All right, this is the current week that we're in right now, and it's also looking bullish. Okay, we still have 3 days until this candle closes right there. All right, so now let's go down to our daily time frame, and we'll get a little more information. All right, so on our daily time frame, we see that we had a 2 candle close above the supply zone and no retest yet. Okay, we don't have a retest yet, but it looks like price tried to come down, didn't complete it. This needs to be filled in. So it looks like we're going to be getting a retest on USD JPY. But guess what? No one knows when this is going to happen. Okay, no one knows when this is going to happen. So if we go down to a 4-hour time frame, we'll get a little more information. All right. So on a 4-hour time frame, we see that price almost came down to retest our demand zone here. All right, a supply zone that's soon to turn into a demand zone. All right, so that gives me an indication that price needs to retest. All right. So the reason why I decided to take this setup is because on the daily time frame, my indicator, the cheat code indicator, is giving me an indication that price is going to pull back. All right, so let me go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see. All right. So on this candle here, we have where it says CC sell. Okay. It lets us know that we have a price is going to reverse soon. Okay. So that's that's why I call it a cheat code, because price went outside these bands. So there's 2 sets of bands here. And when price goes outside these bands, that creates an extreme in the market. Okay. We trade those extremes that happen in the market with this indicator. That's what we trade. That's why this indicator is so highly accurate, and why your win rate will be really high is because you're only trading extremes like within the market. All right. The key to trading is knowing where you are in the market. That is the key to trading. You have to know where you are in the market. Are you trading with the trend, or are you trading a pullback? Are you trading with the trend, or are you trading a pullback? Okay. Now, if we go down to our 4-hour time frame, we'll get a little more information. So let me make this a little smaller. There we go. On a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, guys, we can see that this indicator gives you support and resistance. All right. Right now, the indicator is showing that we are at a resistance point, and we actually had a sell signal at this resistance area here up here. All right. So that gives me indication that price wants to fall. okay? But we really don't know. We do not know until price starts to break lows, all right? So that's the reason why I decided to take this trade, is because I know price needs to come down to retest this area, okay? If price decides to go back up, that's why we have risk management here. And if it hits our stops, it hits our stops. Then we'll continue going up with USD JPY, all right? So this is a counter trend trade, okay? Because we're going against the trend. We're not actually going with the trend. We're going against the trend with USD JPY. So we'll see how this plays out, okay? But I got an indication that price will continue. The price will drop. So we'll see, okay? Reversals usually happen on Wednesdays. Tomorrow's Wednesday. So we'll see if we don't have any I don't think we have any major news on Wednesday. I'll go double check that, but if we don't have any major news, I think that USD JPY will do a pullback. All right. So let's go to another one. Let's go to GBP NZD. Okay, GBP NZD. All right. So let's turn off this indicator real quick. So just let me show you my process, guys. Show you my exact process. All right. So I always trade off the daily time frame. Okay. And I see that on GBP NZD, the trend is bullish right now. Okay. The trend is bullish on GBP NZD. So all I want to do, guys, is I want to draw my trading ranges. So the trading ranges I'm going to mark up are from the swing highs to the swing lows. Okay. So we're going to draw this trading range here and this trading range right here. All right. Swing highs and swing lows are based on market structure. All right. So let's change that to blue. We're going to change this to blue. Let us know that we are in a bullish trading range. So let me go ahead and write that out for you. Yeah, I really like to mark up my charts because I tend to forget. I look at it so many different pairs. So this really helps me out when I mark up the charts like this. So next thing I want to do, guys, is grab my Fibonacci tool. All right. And I'm going to go for the swing low to the swing high. All right. And I just want to mark up the 50% area, which is right here where we had some action at. All right. Now I can get rid of the fib and delete. So how I trade is based on trading ranges, okay? Whenever there's a break of structure, like we have here, all right, we have a break of structure. All right, we got a break of structure there. Whenever there's a break of structure, there's always going to be a pullback. There's always going to be a pullback. There's a break of structure right here too, okay? On a daily time frame. So knowing that there's always going to be a pullback after a break of structure lets me know that price is going to pull back, so I can get ready for a sale on GBP NZD. So the next thing I would do is go down to the 4-hour time frame, right? And when price started to break structure, then I will be looking for an opportunity to sell GBP NZD. Okay, so that's pretty much how I trade. Now, if we turned on the indicator, if I go back to the daily time frame, we have an extreme in the market on GBP NZD, and I'll show you that right now when I turn it on. All right, so voila, guys, we had two extremes. We had one here and also another one right here. Okay, so these cheat code sales that we got indicated that price is going to reverse or pull back. All right. So when I got this indication, all I would have to do is go down to the 4-hour time frame and wait for that indication to show up on a 4-hour time frame. And so we have it right here twice. Okay, we have one right here. So you may be asking yourself, why is there 2 sell signals? Okay, so on this indicator, we give you two sell signals. We have a cheat code sell signal, and then we also have a divergent sell signal. So all these sell signals that have backgrounds or red background are divergences that happen in the market. Okay, so that definitely lets you know that price is going to reverse whenever there's a divergence in the market. Okay, so that's why this indicator is so cool, because not only does it give you divergence, but also lets you know when the extremes happen in the market. And these extremes are when price goes outside the band. Okay, that's when we are looking to take trades, when price goes outside the band. That's the only time we're looking to take trades, guys. All right. If you follow that, you will be a consistently profitable trader. Okay. So when price showed up on the 4-hour time frame, that gave me an indication yesterday that I need to take this trade. Okay. So as you can see, if I go back to the Telegram group and I bring up this picture, you guys will see right here highlighted GBP NZD. I had 3 positions on GBP NZD. All right. And you can see the profit from those trades. All right. So that's how you use the indicator, guys. There's a lot more to it. But if you guys want to join my Telegram group, it's totally free. From time to time, I give out trade ideas, not every single day, but usually on more than 3 to 4 times a week, I'm giving out trade ideas. Okay. Just my gift to you. But I really want to teach you guys to be independent traders so you can trade on your own, find your own setups. Okay. Again, if you want to know the cheat code to trading, guys, join the trading group. My coaching group. You also get the indicator. All right. You'll be inside of our group for the next 30 days. I do weekly trainings. I do live analysis on Sunday. So you guys will also get that. And then you'll be able to become a consistently profitable trader. All right. You'll learn the cheat code. You'll have this indicator. I mean, there's nothing on the market like this around, guys. There's nothing on the market. All right. Very, very simple, easy to understand. You can be an expert. You can be a beginner. As long as you follow these guys, then you will be successful. Okay. So just wanted to end it there. I don't want to make this video too long. But again, if you want to join the coaching group, you can do that. Link will be in the description below. All right. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.